In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, click on Refresh Rate, and pick one of those options, Default or Custom. If you decided to select Custom, tap on Refresh Rate below it and pick one of those. If you decided to go with the highest one, you will see this option pop up, Apps using high refresh rate. It's only available if you will pick the highest one. So now click on it and decide if you want to allow or deny any of your apps usage of high refresh rate. For example, if you don't want for Amazon shopping to use it, use blue switcher. If you want it, scroll all the way down or use third bar at the top and click on the Now Gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!